You smoke grandma? From one trip to the next, huh, Heidi? So I have $2 here, Heidi. It's 3 games. I'm gonna play this one, Heidi. Then we go to Pizza Harbor. Then we can go to the Flappy Bird.
Okay.
My face clean, Heidi.
Yeah.
Heidi, come here. Last time I was here, which is earlier today, I said goodbye, see you in June. I didn't think it'd be this June, but it was June. Because I become friends with this machine, Heidi. I come here. Every time I'm here, I play it, and then if they want to be closed, because they close early, I play it twice that trip, that day. See?
Uh-huh, good job.
Thank you. Now I gotta go to Pizza Harbor. We can go through the store, though. It's back there.
Okay. You know your way around all these things.
Yeah, I've done it every year. Wish these had toys in them, I'd play them. See that? Go say hi. Because they close at midnight, I think. Everybody else closes by 9 or 8. They're worse than your bedtime here, Heidi.
I stay up till 1.
Says who? Stay up till 1. What, you work tomorrow? Come on, stay up late. Staying up till 1 is for the weak. Remember, they just refilled these machines too, Heidi. Yeah, another egg we got unboxed. Makes me want to go to Howard's. I'm gonna unbox it now or later. You're being watched.
I can get it. You need to crack it open over a bowl.
Oh, it's a tattoo.
It's a zebra.
Oh. Okay, you want to go find the other side now? They filled this today too. Yeah, I should have said I was trying to win those. the walkies, you know. I can barely see. That'd be so cool if I won again, but I don't think it runs that way. Nope, dang it. Well, she can come here. Okay, that's it. We can go to... Okay, can I have my...
It's a little turtle.
Oh, that guy. See the ladybugs? I have some of those. Where's the turtle? Oh.
Is that a turtle?
No, it's a Pokemon guy, so maybe.
Oh,
You want to try to win him?
No, I don't.
He's 500 points.
Time to go.
Okay, let's go.
Ice cream, for heaven's sake.